with another video. By the title, you already know why we're here. You already know what we're doing. So this is a long time coming. I have been a little nervous to do this, and I've been going back and forth with myself to do this because I just feel like my apartment, I'm not done doing what I want to do for my apartment, but it's mine and God has blessed me with it, so I'm going to share the wonders that He has blessed me with. This is a realistic apartment tour. Like, it's not gonna be the glitz and the glams and the va-va-a-voom, but it for sure will be a nice place to see. So keep watching. Most definitely, before you do, like, subscribe, and follow this channel. Hit the bell because I will be posting more videos this year in 2022. So let's get into it. I'm really excited, and welcome to Taylor's crib. It's like, no. So we are back. This is our living room. This is she living room. There's the door. There's a closet right there that I just put like for storage. Like, I have a lot of storage in here, coats and storage and stuff like that. Mops, you know, the thing to have in here. My weights, stuff like that in here. And then we have my dinette table. Simple, cute, classy. That's it. That's all that's new. So I do want to get another like TV stand. I feel like that's just so little and just why is it there? You know what I'm saying? But there is she, there is me. Hey, T. Anyways, I do want to either mount my TV or get a nicer stand because right now it just looks real not je ne sais quoi, I found this basket. Actually, I found the basket at Tuesday Morning. If you guys do not know about Tuesday Morning, let me tell you, it is the place to be. It is so nice in there. I love Tuesday Morning. But that's besides the point as well. This is my living room, my couch. I moved it over. It used to be closer to this wall, but I think I want a chair or something here, or like a table or something, to just give it another look and make my living room bigger. This is the kitchen. This is where I get down with the food making. So a lot of space, a lot of storage space. We got glasses for show on deck. We also have mugs. Don't worry about that shot glass. We also have mugs and, other storage things. This is my pantry. I love it. I love her. She is everything I want in a pantry. I do want to do more to my pantry, so it is all coming through. Clearly, I need some more protein mix, but that's besides the point. Nice little refrigerator. You see all the healthy snacks in there. Something cute, something light. Again, don't worry about that. But fruits, veggies, the whole nine. That is the kitchen. We love the kitchen. So this is the hallway. I got a hallway, y'all. This is my office. I haven't really figured out what I wanted to do. So I did make a vision board. If you have not seen that video, make sure you go check that video out. I show how I did my my vision board, as well as this wall. First of all, let's just give this wall some love because it took me a while to do it. And I also recorded it, so if you want to see me do this, most definitely check on my video. This is my office space. I do want to do so much more. I think I'm going to get another TV and put it in here. Just like on that wall over there. I think that'd be really cute. This is my first bathroom. I would call this my guest bathroom. there is she, there is me, there is T. Hey. Anyways, this is my bathroom, my guest bathroom. Pretty little lights in there. And this is where I lay my head at night. Period. So you see how my TV's on the floor? Yeah, we have to get that mounted. But we're in the process of doing that. Those pictures I got off of Amazon, and I actually love them. It's a couple more in the house somewhere. I don't know if you remember seeing it, but I actually love it. I love my room. I have another closet. So I didn't show you the closet in my office because it's nothing, literally nothing in there. But this is my closet that I use. I put the dresser in here, or whatever this is, storage space, whatever this is. I put it in here because I thought it would be better in here. I thought it would just look better in here. And I like the simplicity of my room and how empty it is. This is my bathroom. If you know me, you know, but I absolutely love candles. I love the way they smell. I love the way they look. I just love candles. So this is this. There is me, there is she, there is T. Hey. And my bathroom is so cute. This is my shower. It's a standing shower. And then in the other bathroom, it is it's a bath. So I don't know, is that like a bath and a half? Maybe. And then let me step back a little bit. But this is my washer and dryer. It is a combination, so it does both of them. It's both-handed. And I absolutely love it because you put them in dirty, they come out clean and dry. Love it. So that is the apartment. Like I said, I really want to do so much more in this apartment. Oh, look at she. Y'all stop that. Just pause the video and look at that. But this is my humble abode. I absolutely love her. She has gave me everything, and I'm always here for it. I didn't show you my balcony. My balcony is absolutely huge, but it's really cold outside, and it's snowing. And I'm not going outside because I love y'all, but I don't love y'all that much. You feel me? That's my home. That's my space. I hope to really enjoy this video. If you want to see like more detailed about what's all in my pantry, what's all in my everywhere, I don't have no problem showing you. It ain't nothing. It ain't nothing for nothing. So I love you guys. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. Share the video. Y'all know y'all nosy. Go ahead, do what you gotta do. I love you guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye.